guess their motors fell off. This is Palmyra Network News in Lawn, Pennsylvania, home of the lawn breakfast happening right now. Motorcycle breakfast going on right now. A lot of people starting to leave because apparently everything is over. I don't know how much the breakfast costs, but looks like some of these guys can really put it away. The scooter club is here now. All of the Vespas are lining up here for a big parade. That gets a big laugh. I don't More guys getting ready to go here. Bellies full of eggs. Here they go, off for a great Sunday afternoon ride. This happens like every third Sunday here in Lawn, Pennsylvania, not to be confused with Upper Lawn, which is a totally different area. Love the sound of those motors. Yep. More motorcycle guys getting waved on in here. Some of the latecomers coming on in. Here comes the three-wheeler. Hey, how about it? Got his lights on, got the nice silver helmet there. Can-Am three-wheeler, Can-Am three-wheeler. Guys are all set to go here, ready to take off. I'm sure this will be pretty impressive when they move ahead here. Okay. Still a lot of people here. I think it ends at about 11 o'clock, something like that. There's a Trump banner. It's free country, express what you like. Hey, how much is the breakfast? $12. It's $12 for the breakfast here. Belly's full of eggs. Here they go, and over there is the guys on the regular bicycles. I'm sure they love these guys. Okay, got some action going on up here. Guys starting to leave. That could be pretty impressive. I'm surprised I haven't got my ass kicked yet. I'll just keep on trying. I'll just keep on trying here. And there goes a guy. Nice impressive sound there. Everybody's heading on out here, and they're showing the colors here today too. Colors are mostly black, but yeah, they're all showing their colors. Uh-oh, something going on down there. Big time. Here they come. Those guys just get respect, I'll tell you. The louder things are, the more respect they get. Yeah. Now they're coming over here, and I hope they're not ready to mess with me. You know what I mean. This is Palmyra Network News in Lawn, Pennsylvania, at the home of the breakfast. We're at the motorcycle breakfast. Happens every third Sunday, right here at the Lawn Fire Company. All you motorcycle heads out there really ought to appreciate this video that we're bringing here on a Sunday morning. Some of the quieter ones coming in here. Some of the louder ones about to leave. Got a big wave there from one of the people people riding bitch today. There they go. Coming on in here. There's a nice Harley. He's about ready to take off here when he gets the okay from the fire policeman. Looks okay. There he goes. Getting the headlights on here and an ape hanger section here with a golden chrome, not a chrome helmet, that is. Beautiful bike he's got there with the ape hangers. Coming on in here, we have a crotch rocket. They have a special place just for this crotch rocket. There we go, a tricycle coming in. They just keep coming in from all over. Hope they don't run out of eggs. It's $12 for the breakfast every third Sunday right here at the Lawn Fire Company. There's the Lawn Fire Company. You can see it in there. Looks like they lost a couple trucks. Oh, they took them outside, obviously. What the hell is that? Oh. Okay, looks like some sort of a custom piece. Really kicking up a storm here on a Sunday morning in Lawn, Pennsylvania on Palmyra Network News. A couple of guys coming on in here, a couple ape hangers. Really nice bike you have there. Got a great radio too. You guys have a good time today here?
Yes.
How is the food?
Excellent.
Is it?
Always good.
I don't imagine they do eggs order, do they?
No, scrambled.
Scrambled? I see. Okay, well have a good ride.
You too, thank you.
Have a safe ride.
Thank you.
Be well.
And Don, if you can squeeze in here. Go ahead.
They're going to squeeze one in right here. They're going to squeeze one in here. There you are. Pulling right up to the pumps. You guys all ready for a big breakfast, huh?
Yeah.
You have 24 bucks?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess you would. Just kidding. Love the sound of those engines. Heading on up to the breakfast. Let's go take a look at the breakfast. See what's going on up here at the breakfast. You can see there's about 300 motorcycles right here. They're coming on through right now, just about ready to leave. Lawn Fire Company every third Sunday, is that right?
Yes, that's right.
The top. How much you charging here for breakfast?
$12.
And is that worth it?
Well, if you like pancakes, French toast, sausage, ham, baked oatmeal, sausage gravy, and fresh biscuits, coffee, drinks, all you can eat, come back the line again, it sure is.
Hey, how about some comps for the press?
It's a beautiful day. safe. Come on out and eat.
I see. I see. Unpack my wallet. Is that what you're saying? Eh?
Enjoy the company.
Enjoy the company.
There's a lot of nice people here.
Is the company worth $12?
Yes, they will. You'd have to decide that.
No. The only acceptable answer is yes.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Is McDonald's worth $10?
Okay. Well, nobody stopped me from recording yet, so I guess I can.
Well, don't add that on your list right there, please.
Don't add that.
McDonald's comment. Delete that.
Okay, that'll be deleted, sure. This is live, sorry.
Are you serious? Technology these days.
That technology, yeah. See, this camera can fool you, you know. It's bigger than it looks. Okay, well, have a good day. What are you selling anyway? What is all that money in there?
T-shirts, pull-off tickets.
Got some T-shirts and large and extra large.
Thank you.
Wow, how many people are here today, you think?
I really couldn't tell you. I'm not really great at estimating that. But
All right. What do you got there? It looks like a little sausage gravy and got some ham. He's putting butter
delicious.
Everything.
if you really are the media, I'll say thank you to everybody who supports the volunteer services and fire companies, ambulances.
Yeah, I'm the media.
Firefighters.
This is Palmyra Network News. This is the big time.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Palmyra Network News, yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
my hometown.
We got
big time to
we
be.
got 50,000 followers
There we
in
go.
my mind. Well, thanks a lot.
Thanks for coming out.
Okay. Looks like nothing's happening over here right now. I wonder what's going on. Hey, get to work. What's going on here?
We collect the money when they come in.
$12, huh?
Yes, $12.
Is it worth
All
it?
you can eat.
What-
Oh, yes.
It's definitely worth it, huh?
Homemade is delicious.
Okay, mark it out. Here, I have a customer coming in here. I'll get out of the way here.
$12.
Okay, he's unpacking his wallet right now.
What are you nerds
Okay.
They're excited. Oh, they're getting tickets. Pull ups. 1, 2, 3, and 8.
Let's go see what the breakfast looks like. Maybe we'll snag a couple eggs. See what's going on here. That's the egg lady right here. You're doing eggs, huh? Yeah, they look good.
Just filling in for the person.
Oh, you're filling in. I see. I see. A guest host, right? Yeah. There's the kitchen. They're working pretty hard in there. Some of them. That guy over there isn't doing much, but okay. What else you got here? Ah, yes, the potato line. You're Mr. Potato Head, or, is that right? Yeah. Let's see your. Oh. Okay, we got sausage right here. Yeah, you wouldn't want to see how that's made. Let me take a. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, that really looks good. How about the ham? Oh man, that reminds me of me. Very good. Baked oatmeal. Need a little milk on that, and it's going to be a little hard, I think.
They got milk over there.
They do? They got milk over there? Yeah, okay. I got a good stuff there. All right. Hey, how you doing? Hey, I know you.
You know me?
Yeah, I do.
How do I know you? I can't think of your name.
You know Ken Kreiser? Ken Kreiser? Ken Kreiser. Okay, you know him. Okay, then I know you. Got the rolls here. I don't want to hold anything up here. These guys will kick my ass. All right. Doesn't that look good? All right. What's going on in the kitchen here? They're telling me get the hell out of the kitchen, probably. It's hot. It's hot in here. Yeah. There's a guy doing the eggs right there. I'll just sort of move over here. Hey, do you do eggs to order?
Maybe.
Maybe. For the right price. For $25, would you make me?
For everything.
For $25, you'd make the eggs over easy.
Whatever you want.
Make me an omelet, huh?
All right, what do you want?
Yeah, that's the kitchen. That's what's going on in the kitchen right now. Boy, they're boosting up those sausages there. Wait a minute, Mr. Potato Head's working on the ham now. Doing double brass here, I guess. How you doing? How often does this happen? Like every third Sunday or something in
May to August.
May to August. So we only have one more to go.
We got one more.
Oh man, then
Forget us.
7 to 11.
yeah, what happened to all the fire trucks? Somebody steal them? There's 3 of them gone. I don't know. You tell me. There's all the people right here. Yeah, driving those motorcycles works up a hell of an appetite. This is the drinks, and this is where the output is done. All the output is done here. And some of the output is done over there. Some of the output is done over there. But looks like a pretty good crowd here at the Lawn Firehouse in Lawn, Pennsylvania. Just about seen everything here. It's coming up on the 11 o'clock hour, and I guess some of these guys are all going to be taking off real soon. Yeah. Everybody has bellies full of scrambled eggs, right?
Yes.
Yeah, then they take off and then they don't come back for a month, right? One more to go, right?
Yes.
Is that right? One to go. The Christian Motorcycle Association. Hallelujah and good morning to you.
Praise Jesus, yes. But anyway, it does keep the group together.
Got some stuff we're selling right here, huh?
Yeah, if we're doing breakfast like that.
Well, nobody's stopped me yet, so we'll just keep going until they take this camera and shove it down my face. Okay, that's the goods table right there. And here's a motorcycle going up for sale. Selling the Triumph here, ladies and gentlemen. 4,500 bucks to buy it. 4,000 miles on her. Let's go back to where the action is here. Considerable amount of people have already left, so we'll have to say goodbye to them and see them next month. They're starting to take off now, and all right. All sorts of motor clubs here too, motorcycle clubs. Let's just take a walk up through here. Take a look at some of these cycles.
Wait, hold on.
What's the name of your club here?
What's that?
What's the name of your club?
Combat Vets Motorcycle Association.
Well, that's great. We support your service, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. And how many guys you got with you today?
We got 5 today.
5 of them.
Yeah.
All right. Well, good luck and be safe.
Thank you. You're not the only one. I'm just trying to, because I always
I'm going to take a look at some of the remaining bikes we have here. Yeah, how was the food today? How was it? Okay? It'll pass, right? Yeah, it's no diner food, but you know. For it's a good cause, that's right. Well, it looks like we're clearing out the lines here pretty good. Let's go back up to the takeoff line here, and we'll see how things are going. Got a nice selection of bikes here. Had about 300 people here today, 300 bikes. Probably 600 people if you count the people on the back. Yeah, this is Ron Drake reporting from Lawn, Pennsylvania on Palmyra Network News. Now next month will be the last motorcycle breakfast. That's what Dr. Drake says. Things have quieted down here all of a sudden. Look at this. Here's a British motorbike. A Royal Enfield. Stacked up next to a Harley Davidson. Now you've seen it all. Boy, the camera work is really great on this show, isn't it? Here's these guys, these traffic directors are out there. I hear somebody starting up over here. Looks like the Vets Association is just about to move ahead here. And let's follow them just a bit here. At the Lawn Fire Company in Lawn, Pennsylvania, not to be confused with Upper Lawn, Pennsylvania. Got some great folks going on here. We'll see you later. Give them the double peace sign. Got some other folks getting ready on the other side there. Oh, the fella has some ape hangers. That's pretty cool. It's the Lawn Fire Company motorcycle breakfast, happening every month about this time, third Sunday in. We have just one more to go, and that'll be the end of it. Then we go off into the winter time. Yeah, I'd like to say I wish I had better camera work here, but it's tough to be the cameraman and to show the guys what they're doing here. There's a modus. There's a modus. I guess they couldn't spell motor. A modus. A modem. Guy's riding a modem. All right. Off he goes. Off they go. Where's he going? Oh. I noticed there's 2 fire trucks missing. I don't know if somebody stole them or what's going on here. I don't think any of these guys would own up to it. Heading on out right now. Bye-bye, and peace signs to everybody out there. Yep, smoking a cigarette right next to the gas tank. I approve your courage, sir. Yeah, well, moving on here. There we go, down the line. That looks like we have about 150 bikes left here to go. We're winding down here near 11 o'clock. I believe it's over at 11. So from the Lawn Fire Company in Lawn, Pennsylvania, site of the motorcycle breakfast for today. This is Ron Drake. This is Palmyra Network News.